Hi, everybody. What we're going to do now is we're going to make a cube. Well, we made cubes the first day you were in class. What we're going to do here is up the complexity by making a cube with rounded corners. All right. So it's going to be a lot of fun. Now I'm going to use exact measurements for this. Let's go into SketchUp and I'm going to grab my rectangle tool. And we're going to make a cube that's 12 by 12 inches. So I'm going to start by clicking in the origin point with my rectangle tool, dragging out and typing in 12 apostrophe, no, quotation mark, comma, 12 quotation mark, enter. There we go. Perfect. All right, now we can get rid of our little ukulele playing friend here. And we're going to rotate this, and we're going to end up with a cube that's 12 by 12 inches, but we're going to have to build it up. We'll build one half, and then we'll flip it and snap it to each other. And the first thing I'm going to do is grab my pencil tool, and I want to find the perfect curve here. So I'm going to click and drag out along the line I've already created until I get 3 inches, 3 quotation mark, boom. And then I'm going to do the same thing on this corner, click and drag out. And I want to find 3 quotation mark, enter. Now I'm going to grab my 2-point arc tool. And it's going to help me find that endpoint to endpoint there. And there it is. And I want that purple tangent. That's it. That's the perfect. Then I come up here and I double click and I come over here, double click, come over here and double click. And then I erase this corner away. So far, so good. Now, we're going to grab the pencil tool and we're going to draw a line and find the middle, find the midpoint. It's going to be blue. Click and drag 3 inches across on the red axis, 3 quotation mark, enter. Then we're going to escape and drag straight up, 3 quotation mark, enter. All right. And now we're going to draw another arc using the 2-point arc tool from here to here and find that perfect arc. It's going to turn purple. Tangent at vertex is what it's called. Boom. Perfect. Now we're going to grab our selection tool and click on the plate here, grab our follow me tool and click on this. And it's going to give us a bunch of stuff we don't need. So a lot of times when you do this, you end up with a bunch of extra detritus that you don't want and you have to get rid of it. So now just grab our selection tool and kind of peel all this stuff away. And we want to get rid of this trimmed area on the outside as well. And then we want to get rid of all of this. Might be easy to use the eraser for this. I should make that nib on the eraser just a little bit bigger. And let's finish erasing all this. Nothing else, just this errant line here. Okay, very good. So now you see we've kind of got like this bowl shape. And if it's the right now, right now we want this to be flipped so that the white side is on the outside. So we'll grab the selection tool, right click, and choose reverse faces. Click on this, right click, reverse faces. Now, what we want to do is select this, make it half of our cube and then flip it and join it to itself. So anytime you want to close up a shape, or lots of times when you close up a shape, you can click with the pencil tool. We're just going to go across the top like that on the straight part. Come on. There it is. Close it like that. There we go. Now we want to push pull this up 3 more inches with the push pull tool. Let's select that whole face, push pull, drag it up 3 inches. Boom. Now we've got our shape. Now we're going to select all of this and we're going to use soften smooth and we're going to soften the coplanar edges and smooth edges. And so now we have something that looks smooth, right? And now we're just going to trap select the whole thing, grab our rotate tool. We want to rotate it on the green face. So let's put it in the center here and then come out to about right here. Start to rotate, then tap our control key. Now, for some reason, let's try it again. I don't know why it didn't get straight on there. Try going from the side here. Nope, there's something wrong. Let's find the center. Let's just slide it over. Shouldn't have to. Should have been perfect. I made a mistake somewhere. Oops. Try one more time. Let's select this all. Grab our rotate tool. So we do it like this. There we go. Okay, so obviously we need to find the center of this shape. There we go. So that's where we need to put our rotate point. And we want it to be on the green axis. I can use the arrow keys, click, then give myself a handle, click, start to rotate, tap. There we go. So there we are. Okay. So now we just need to get rid of this line here. Now we can't get rid of this line with the coplanar and smooth edges because it's a face, but we can click on it and delete it. And make sure that you only grab that, nothing else. And there's our rounded cube, a sugar cube. There's our cube. Let's save it. Cube. Let's say rounded cube or sugar cube. And save here. That's our exercise. Thank you.